kami sa Japan eh.
Hindi.
Hindi pa Japan.
Nasa Makati kami. Tapos meron palang underpass.
It's giving Japan na hindi ko pa napupuntahan.
Pero sira yung escalator. Sarado. So, hagdan. Yan, papataas lang. Nakakaasar.
Ay, walang pa po ba?
Kala namin naliligaw na kami pero hindi pala.
Yung dulo?
Yeah. Guys, may ganito palang underpass sa Makati.
Yung underpass nila nasa ilalim.
May museum. May mga artworks.
Loop. It's giving loop.
May artworks dito sa underpass.
You know what's loop?
Underpass ba yung tawag sa ganito?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Pero walang
pag
trend.
may
Ano
train,
lang siya?
Subway na.
Yun. Papunta kami sa Ayala Triangle. Ito yun? Are we sure? Guys, we're here at Makati Atrium. Charot. Atrium Makati. Hindi ko alam the Atrium.
We're here in the year
Tapos pumunta kami dito sa The Common Room.
2035.
Nakakaasa. Yan.
Ayan. Common room.
So, we're gonna eat here. Magkalat, mamili, magbasa, magkape. Magkalat ka daw, baby. Go, let's go.
Ay, mga vlog room.
Ano yung order natin?
We ordered tapa pandesal and longganisa pandesal. And 2 sa gugulaman. And the air
Uy,
connected.
manggo sago yung akin.
Ha?
Manggo sago.
Oh my God, sorry.
Ayoko nang wala. Nagkamali siya ng order.
Take 2. We ordered tapa pandesal and longganisa pandesal and 2 sa gugulaman. Then I changed 1 to
Manggo
mango
sago.
sago and I add 30 pesos. So,
Okay.
yan. Kita copy ng of this book.
Sabi na. Sa'yo yan.
No. Ba't kita copy na?
Okay. Paano ba? Paano? Paano?
Kimi out money.
Ano laman?
Ha?
Ano laman? Comics? Parang comics.
Yeah.
Ano ba?
It's comic-ish.
Oo. So we ordered, this one is longganisa pandesal. Wala siyang kasamang ganito. Anong tawag dito? Yung ice something. Tapos I ordered mango sago. Reynan ordered ano to? Sago gulaman. And then tapa pandesal.
With ice gem at the side.
Ayun, ice gem. Iniisip ko yung pangalan.
Ice gem.
Tapos yung straw nila edible. Edible ba to?
Try natin.
Huwag na. Later. Ay, magkaiba yung egg. Yung
Yeah.
akin is fried sunny side up. Yung sa'yo scrambled.
You can't have it on cross-section.
Cross section.
Alright.
Try natin yung akin. Yung akin is sunny side up. Sarap.
Masang ano siya? Shawarma.
Ay, masarap.
Di ba? Shawarma.
Ang gawa ng kamatis tsaka ng pipino. Sarap. Ay, talaga.
May extra kamay. Spicy. Di ba?
Hindi masyado. Masarap. Tupo. Ano gusto mo? Gusto ko to.
Mas gusto ko pa.
Okay, so tama lang. Try naman natin yung drink.
Shucks yung na-intake.
Mango sago. Okay lang.
Hindi.
Okay lang. Hindi masyadong lasa yung mango.
Sago lang.
Masyado. Pero okay lang. Talong na. Ano? Okay lang. Guys, ito na yung nagawa namin from the
Sino mas
free
maganda?
stuff.
Kanino mas maganda?
Mas maganda yung akin.
Comment down below.
Ayan guys, so meron ditong free stamps. So, ayan. Nag-stamp lang kami. Tapos magdududal na siya kasi ako hindi ako marunong.
Ano to? Common ano?
Common room PH.
Masaya.
We're here at 210 Weekend Club. Ano siya? Parang the unit na ginawang parang cafe.
Kung naano nyo yung Ball Pit Manila, parang ganun din.
Ano yun? Yes. Okay, babe. Huwag yung sobrang anghang. Uy! Sarap. Manghang. So, ito ay bulldog fries. Ito is smoked beef. Something. Tapos, gochu bacon. This one is matcha cloud. And then, ano yun sa'yo? Choco dream. Yan.
Nalambot na kailan? Yung beef.
16 hours yung nakalagay na, ay nanon daw eh. Masarap.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do.
Lapit na, may activity kami gagawin. So yung napili ko is blend yourself. So ito yung need natin. Dito naman lahat. Baby, tray.
Tray.
Tapos, kuha ka ng isang fragrance bottle. Measuring cup. Funnel. Tatatak. Tapos, choose a top note.
Ano?
Sige, pipili muna ako. Later, update ko kayo.
Honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you.
Okay, 9 drops. Add 9 drops ng base note. Base note ko to. Open na. Yes. Ito yung bottle. 9 drops daw nito. Middle note is Japanese peony. gamot. 6 drops. So, mag-add tayo ng 20 ml ng perfumers alcohol. We're adding 20 ml ng perfumers alcohol. Baby, ba't ka nagda-drawing ng banana?
Because
Hala, ang galing. Dapat pag tuyo na, pwede mo nang patungan ng puti.
yeah.
So, kakalagay ko lang ng water. Tapos naging cloudy siya. So, ang gagawin na natin is i-roll. Step 9. Roll the bottle in between your palms. Sige, gawin natin yan. Hello! Hindi na siya cloudy with the chance of meatball. Yan na siya.
Last thing
Nagiging 3D na yung painting niya. Look. Artist. So, nagtanong ako kung pwede yung doodle. Free pala siya. Hindi lang kayo ng cup dun sa counter.
I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie.
So, nagdoodle ako. Diba? Yan lang yun. Yan lang yun. Tapos siya, malapit na siyang matapos.
If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise.
Nagdoodle ako. Yan na yung itsura niya. Tapos, yan siya. Hindi pa siya tapos.
Fight. I would rather lie to you.
A few moments later.
So, ito na yung finished products. Ito yung cup. Ito frito.
Mine saging. Mine
Tapos ito yung painting ni Reynan. It's a banana. Tapos ito yung aking scent. Okay, we're done.
Try to give you hints and a hard to see.
Going home. Bye! We're here at
First
Commune Bar and Cafe ata sa Makati. Order na si Debbie.
right next to filling station.
Malapit lang siya sa filling station.
Ano naman right next to filling station? Next to Mansun.
Mansun Korean restaurant. Banana Q latte. Banana Q latte. Guys, feeling ko kaya commune yung name. Kaya commune yung name kasi parang salo-salo yung style ng table. Parang mas nakatabi yung mga customer.
Tsaka pag first time mo dito, tawag first communion.
This is red iced tea. Sarap.
Hindi naman red. Hindi nga lang red.
So this is chicken tocino all day breakfast. This is kimchi fried rice.
This is me.
And this is red iced tea. Yun lang. So try natin.
It's a perfect way.
Sarap din to. So good. safe
na ako.
space. Tapos hindi namin alam kung saan. So, hinahanap namin.
Ayan.
Ito, may nakita kami. Guys, grabe buhok. Papunta na kami sa second gallery. Vinyl on vinyl. This one, Pinali Art File. Next destination is White Walls. Apparently, dito daw yung Silver Lens. Is it correct? Are we right? Gallery hours. And this is the first art shot. So, may cafe pala dito sa Silver Lens sa baba.
It's a Silver Cafe.
Hindi namin alam yun Silver Cafe. We're done sa gallery hopping. Punta kami sa cafe, Mahikasa Cafe. So ito, naglalakad na kami papunta Mahikasa.
Malapit na mga kasuhin.
Oo, kasi lang init.
kami. Friday is...
See, it's so big. Here na at Mahikasa. Oh, may chandelier. See, it's so nice.
I know your eyes in the morning sun.
We ordered strawberry peach green tea. Kaya kami. Sana masarap.